Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Just Dan here with you. Well, all new parts for the Swift have arrived. Let me show you the parts. We got the air filter from AC Delco and the part number for this is 19315285. And then we got the oil filter again from AC Delco and the part number is 1926641. We got the much needed air cabin filter and the part number is APS08. Then I got also 4 spark plugs from AC Delco and the part number for that is DK6RTCTCH. So this is the new throttle body gasket and the part number for that is 1342173K00. So that's it guys, the throttle body is very clean right now. You can see the before and after. So let me show you the new spark plugs. So these are how the new spark plug look like from AC Delco. So this is how the old spark plugs look compared to the new spark plugs. So now we'll be installing these spark plugs with the help of a 16mm deep socket like this. So the lifespan of the spark plugs on the Swift is actually 40,000 kilometers, and as per the service history on this Swift, I think the spark plugs were replaced 40,000 kilometers ago, so it's about time to replace with new spark plugs. The torque spec for the spark plugs is 25 Newton meters, so don't over tighten these or you'll break something. If you don't have a torque wrench, it's alright if you just hand tighten it as well. Just make sure you don't over tighten them. So all the 4 spark plugs are torqued down to 25 Newton meters. Okay, we're going to install the coil packs now. So the torque spec for the coil packs 10mm bolts is 10 Newton meters. So now we'll connect the connectors. That's it, all the connectors are in place. So next, we'll have to connect the throttle body. So there's the throttle body gasket, if you can see it, this one. So just remove it. So this is the old throttle body gasket. We'll be replacing it with a new one. So this is the new throttle body gasket. I think the throttle body gasket was never replaced. So let's install it. So the throttle body gasket is back in place. So now we can install the throttle body back in. That's it. Now we can tighten the nuts and bolts for the throttle body. When you install the 10mm bolts, make sure you install this bracket, don't forget that. Install the coolant hoses. tighten them in a crisscross pattern, guys. So the torque for the throttle body nut is 16 Newton meters, and for the throttle body 10 bolts is 18 Newton meters. I think even 16 feels a bit tight. So the torque I did for the throttle body nuts and bolts was 14 Newton meters. I think that's pretty safe. I didn't want to over tighten them. Now don't forget to put the clamps back in place for the coolant lines. We're going to install the new air filter. So this is how the new air filter looks like compared to the old one. I think the old one is OEM. No, it's Ryko. It's not OEM. But it's a good aftermarket brand. And it has rubber over here. This is just paper. There's no rubber anywhere here from AC Delco. But it should do the job, I guess. So the curvature parts comes on 3 ends and the sharp edge comes to the right bottom here. So now we can install it. That's it. Got the filter. Yeah, that's it. Install these two 10 bolts. Let's install the battery tray. I will connect this hose from the airbox to the throttle body. Connect this hose properly inside, it shouldn't be loose. Connect this, put this back in place. Yeah, connect this back here, inside this. Yeah, put that back in. Clamp this hose back in. So this is a 8 bolt, just tighten them. Yeah, it's tight. Finally we need to connect this. Just put it inside. I think we need to remove the airbox again because we can't install this until we remove this. So we'll just loosen this a bit so we can insert this inside here. It has to go all the way in. So that's it. Now we can tighten the 10 bolts. Guys, don't forget to connect the, I think it's the MAP sensor wire. They're clicked in place. Don't forget this. Now we'll be installing the battery next. Okay, so the battery is in place. Now you just need to connect these. So we replace the spark plugs and the air filter and also the throttle body's gasket. We clean the throttle body, so now we're going to start the engine. Engine started, no drama there. So that's it for this episode, guys. The engine's running pretty smooth and there's no rough idle. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do hit the like button. Also consider subscribing to my channel. In the next episode I'll be doing the engine oil service for this Swift, so do stay tuned for that.
Until next time, this is Dan signing out. Bye bye.